What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you new to the channel. Today, man, we got a $600 Soul Supremacy beater box. $600 for the box, $40 for the shipping. If you're new to the channel, nothing more, nothing less than just a mystery box full of kicks. Supposedly under market value for us to buy, resell, whatever, flip it, make a profit, all that good stuff from the dope guys over in Soul Supremacy out in California. So $600 for the box, $40 for the shipping, man. We just gonna jump right in, see what we got. I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. Wanted to make sure I said that in the video, man. I hope everybody had a dope Christmas. And this video should be up before New Year's, so I want to wish everybody a Happy New Year's, man. I hope nobody's stressing out over buying gifts, man. It seems like Christmas time come around and people try to go broke to buy gifts. But we're gonna jump right in this box. This box is full to capacity. I got one pair without a box. We got some Kobe's, Kobe 10s, no box. No box on these. This is a super dope colorway. Very, very clean. I don't know the name of these. I can't remember. These are size 10. Check out the bottoms. They still got a lot of life left in them. This is one of my favorite Kobe models, the 10. Super dope shoe. Very comfortable. Check them out. I hope I'm not blinding out this light. Let me step back so y'all can see. Wow, that's them. Kobe 10s, no box, size 10. We got a Kobe again. This is a 9 Elite. Got the Black History Months and a size 10.5 or 8.5. Box is a little damaged, you can see. These are hard, man. When I was hooping, these was one of my favorites, man, just because I like that extra ankle support. Size 8.5 on these. Black History Month. This is a very clean colorway. Very simple, black and white. Check them out. These still go for a pretty good penny too. I know dead stock they do. I don't know what they hitting for used, but man, these are dope. Had these been my size, I probably would have cleaned them up, rocked them to the gym. I say hooping, but y'all know I'm too big to be hooping. I just be out there shooting and getting some cardio in. I ain't no hooper like that. We got another 8.5. We got a Kyrie 1 AS, so this must be the All-Star. And they are not dead stock. These are size 8.5 Kyrie 1s. I've had these before, not from a beater box. I forgot. I think I did like a local deal and I had came up on these. All-Star. Check out the bottom. These still have a lot of life left in them too. I like Kyrie's shoes. I like the fact that Nike making them affordable. I think like retail for his shoes are like $130 and below. So all the kids that can't afford, $200 kicks can still go out and get, some decent looking, some dope looking kicks, man, for a fair price. I mean, $130 is still pretty expensive for some people, but better than $200. We got the Asics Gel Light 3s, man. Probably Gel Light 3s and Gel Light 5s are probably the only Asics I mess with. Gel Light 5s, I just like them because they're comfortable. But as far as aesthetics, Gel Light 3s. Then they have like a billion different colorways. These have the tag in the box. These are not dead stock. I'm gonna have to look up what the model is, man. There's so many different colorways in these. These are not bad though. Pretty clean. I don't know where they're getting the orange laces from, but they're like an orange and gray. And the shoe itself is like a two-tone gray bottom. Size 8, very clean. Asics Gel Light 3s. Box is in good shape. And we got 4 pair on the floor, and we got 5 pairs still in the box. So 9 pair in the box. That's crazy. We got an Ultra Boost LTD. Where my boost heads at, man? I know you guys used to love these shoes. And this is the gold medals. 3.0s, I believe. Gold medals. These are size 8. These are worn. That boost is something that's hard to clean, but we'll give it a shot. Check out the bottom. You still have a lot of life left of them too. Gold medal 3.0s. I believe they 3.0s. I'm not up on my boots like that. They very comfortable, but for me, some reason when I'm rocking these, and I've been rocking mine to the gym, my heels slip out the back. I don't know what that is, man. Maybe I need to go down a size. I don't know what that is, but my heels slip out the back. So I had to stop training them. And I'm back in Hirachis and Vapor Maxes now. And Element 55s. You rock with me on Instagram. You see I just picked up some of those Grid Armory Element 55s. I've been wanting those since they came out. I have to show y'all. All right, go to my Instagram. You can see those. Nike Air Force 270s. 8.5. Air Force 270s. Read that right? I believe so. Yeah. I like 270s, but I don't like these. This is them. Size 8.5, 270s. Don't know the nicknames. Lightly worn. Check out the bottom. Still got a lot of traction. Somebody must have just rocked them once or twice and put them back in the box. I want to say I seen these on somebody like Ross vids. I be watching those Ross finds and TJ Maxx and all those finds, and I seen these like in Ross all over the country, but I don't have none here in my town. So Air Force 270s, size 8.5. So, this box is full of 8 and 8.5. Another 8.5. Air Max 90 leather PA. Cool little Air Max 90, super dope model. These are worn. Still a lot of traction on the bottom. Man, I hope y'all can hear me, man. I got somebody who leave comments saying I need to turn the volume up, man, but he the only one saying something about it. But I hope the rest of y'all can hear me. I don't have a mic yet, but hopefully we'll step that up too. Check out the bottom. These are clean. I mean, they can use a good cleaning, but as far as the model, I like Air Max 90s. Check out the back. It's still dirty on the back. Not bad, not bad. This box got a lot of shoes. We got 2 pair left. Foam posits, size 8.5. Gold. Some more gold Nikes for you. We got the all gold foam posits in an 8.5. Not dead stock. But these were highly sought after. At least here in my town, I've seen a lot of people on the Facebook groups looking for this colorway in particular. So I'm not sure if they still sought after like that. This is clean though, gold and black. Foam posits. These are very nice. I like foams. I don't have a lot of them. I don't have any in my collection. The reason why I haven't done a collection video like I've been saying I was gonna do is because I rotate stuff in and out so fast. I'm just gonna have to just do one and then make another one and 2 months later. But man, I rotate stuff in and out so fast, it's ridiculous. Like even sometimes before I wear it, it'll be in a drop front case and I might sell it or something before I even get to wear it. But 8.5 on those Nike foam posit 1. Last shoe in this box. Kyrie 2 and a size 14. This is a huge shoe. Size 14. If you rock a size 14 to 15, man, just email me because I got a bunch of them I need to unload. These are dead stock though, so these will probably move really quick. Size 14. Man, these are long. Check those out. I don't know the nicknames of these. So we got 2 pair of Kyries in this box. These are probably, I don't know what they worth, but dead stock, I'm pretty sure they worth something. So that's gonna conclude this $600 box. Nothing too crazy in here. I mean, it's what you expect in a $600 box. I got a Q&A I want to do probably right at the beginning of the year, so maybe right after this video I should be doing a Q&A. I just bought this shirt, so y'all gotta excuse the wrinkles in my tee. I just pulled it out the bag. So anyway, man, I got a Q&A I want to do. If you have any questions for me, I said I was gonna do one a while ago, so I still have a lot of questions from then that I wrote down, or I want to answer them. So I know we got a lot of new members to the channel. Man, just leave questions down in the comments. You can DM me a question, I answer in the video. I'm gonna try to do as many of them as I can. I don't do Q&As very often, so we'll try to do one. Hopefully be up by the beginning of the year. It should be up right after this video. Again, Merry Christmas. That's old. Hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. Happy New Year to you guys. Thank you for rocking with me all 2019. Make sure you hit that sub button. Follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE. And I think that's gonna do it, man. I'm out. Peace.